Hello kids, welcome to Science by Dr. Nidhi. In this video, we are going to learn festivals and celebration or celebrating together. Kids, we celebrate many festivals in India. A festival is a special day or time when people celebrate. Kids, festivals make us happy. Festival are time of fun and joy. We wear new clothes and greet each other. Kids, we eat special food, yummy food. We visit neighbors and family members who live in other places and exchange sweets and gifts. Kids, we celebrate many festivals in India like religious festivals, harvest festivals, important days or national festivals. Except that we celebrate personal special days like birthdays, marriage anniversaries, etc. So kids, what is religious? Religious means related to the worship of God. And what is harvest? Harvest when farmers gather ripe crop from the field and sell them. That is harvest. Kids, first we will learn about religious festivals. Diwali, Dashera, Holi, Eid, Guru Purb, Christmas. Holi is a festival of colors. So first we will learn about Diwali. Diwali is a festival of light. It is celebrated by Hindus. We decorate our homes. We offer prayers to Goddess Lakshmi. People wear new clothes, light diyas, and exchange gifts. Kids, now we will learn about Dashera. It is celebrated to mark the victory of good over evil. On this day, Lord Rama killed Ravana. Effigies of Ravan stuffed with crackers are burnt on Dashera. Now, kids, we will learn about Eid. Eid is celebrated at the end of Ramjan, which is the holy month of fasting. People go to mosques to offer prayers. They meet each other and wishes Eid Mubarak. They wear new clothes and make a special dish called Sevai on this day. Now kids, we will learn about Christmas. Christmas is a religious festival of Christians. It is celebrated on 25th December every year. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. People go to churches to pray. People decorate their houses and Christmas tree. Children believe that Santa Claus gives them presents on Christmas. Now kids, we will learn about Guru Purb. It is marks the birthday of all Sikh gurus. People go to Gurudwara to pray. Kids, now we will learn about harvest festivals. So, what is harvest festival? As we know, harvest is the time of the year when farmers gather ripe crops from the field and sell them. There are many harvest festivals celebrated in India like Pongal, Onam, Bihu, Lohri, etc. So first we will learn about Pongal. It is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated in January every year. People make Pongal rice on this day. Now we will learn about Onam. It is the harvest festival of Kerala. People decorate elephants. Boat race are held. King Mahabali is worshipped on this day. Now we will learn about Bihu. Bihu is celebrated in Assam. Lohri. This is Lohri peak. It is celebrated in January. Every year, people light bonfires and enjoy. Now, kids, we will learn about important days. or national festivals. Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Now kids, first we will learn about Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, India got freedom from British rule. So, Independence Day is celebrated every year on 15th August. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi. We sing national anthem. Now kids, we will learn about Republic Day. India became a republic on 26th January 1950. So, Republic Day is celebrated every year on 26th January. The president hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi. Now kids, we will learn about Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate it every year on 2nd October. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. I think you all enjoy on festivals. So kids, I hope you all understand this chapter. Please like, share, subscribe my channel and check description box. There are some activities and links for you. Thank you.